Dear students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss the quality management and how the Excel program can help the managers to manage the quality. First, we must know what we mean by quality. The quality is distinguishing characteristic that determine if the stakeholders' expectations are met. So, simply we can describe the quality as meeting the standards. The standards involve the guidelines, rules, and the characteristics that should be followed when producing goods or services. That must be done according to regulations. The regulations are mandatory and must be adhered to, and must be in the shadow of the quality policy of the organization. The quality policy are developed by the organization and usually published by the executive teams. Of course, quality comes with a cost. Reducing the products of the project to meet those standards or the standards of quality is known as the cost of quality. It includes the prevention costs, the appraisal costs, and the failure costs. The prevention costs are the costs of keeping defects out of the hands of the customers and satisfying the customers' requirements by meeting quality standards. The appraisal costs are the costs associated with the examining the product and making certain it meets the standards. Inspections, for example, as a part of the appraisal cost. The failure costs are also known the cost of poor quality. There are many theories that describe the cost of quality. For example, Deming. Deming proposed that the cost of quality is a management problem, not an employee problem. He theorized that employees have little control over quality. Joseph proposed that the fitness of the use theory reflect the expectations of the stakeholders and customers regarding the quality and assure that the product meet their expectations. Crosby is noted for the zero defect practice. Zero defect practice means the performing the tasks with the right way at the first time, so there will be no mistakes. The following figures will show us how to use the Excel program for monitoring the quality inside the organization. For example,